Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, 70,000 miles, 2 owners from new, cam belt replaced, great service history, lots of spec. So Volvo XC70, 2.4, that great D5 SE. Now this is a luxury Geartronic, so SE Lux Geartronic, all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, diesel automatic estate car. 2012, but it's a facelift car, the more modern shape, like a 13, 14 and 15 plate, one of the first, 1262, registered in the latter part of 2012. Caspian blue, metallic, lovely colour, ivory leather, got the glass sunroof. Now this car's got blind spot information, or blind spot warning, lane departure, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, big spec thing this, lovely. Lots of service history from the 2 owners. The last owner's had it since it was 2 years old, 11 years the last owner. Serviced at 5, 12, 19, 27, 32, 38, 42, 52, etc. And the cam belt replaced as well, very recently. Got the paperwork for that, and the stickers are under the bonnet, and I've shown them in the photographs for the vehicle, so it doesn't need a cam belt. 2-tone diamond cut, lovely alloy wheels, matching Pirelli Scorpion tyres all round. Pirelli Scorpions that look pretty new. So we've got front fog lamps, headlamp washers, lock-on cruise control. So that's expensive, or forward alert. That's that square in the grille. Nice. Glass tilt slide sunroof, black roof rails. Fitted Volvo mats. Lovely leather trim. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise. Satellite navigation. Down there we've got our buttons for blind spot monitoring, lane assist, etc. Fitted mats in the rear. You can electronically fold the headrest down. I wondered what the button was and I pressed it and the headrest folded down electronically. The rear mats are in there. There is a luggage guard in there, or dog guard, whatever you would like to call it. Rear park sensors, power tailgate. Obviously it's D5 all-wheel drive. Load cover. Simple, lift it up. Load cover, nice and clean in the boot. Press the button, boot closes viciously. Right, so lovely paintwork this side as well. 2 more lovely two more matching Pirelli cross climate tyres, or Pirelli Scorpion SUV tyres with loads and loads of tread on, not covered in stone chips. Very nice car this. Electric windows, electric mirrors, there's your bliss blind spot monitoring, electric seats, memory seats, leather's in good condition, not worn, multifunction steering wheel, automatic lights. 71,040 miles it's done now. Drives as you'd expect with all that service history, and the last owner owning it for 11 years, drives beautifully. £14,995, quality estate car, that four-wheel drive. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. We'll thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh car into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.